Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Okoli, and for those of you that are new, welcome. So for this video today, I am actually going to be recording an eyebrow tutorial for you guys. This was actually a requested video. People ask me all the time, how do you do your eyebrows? So I was like, you know what? Why not record it? You know, since I have a YouTube channel. So yeah, I decided to record the video. Basically, I'm just gonna quickly tell you guys what products I'm gonna be using for this video. So for this video, I'm going to be using this shaver and this mini scissors just to like clean up my eyebrows because it looks a little, you know, messed up. I actually got this waxed. This was a while ago though. I got it waxed, and honestly, the lady did a very, very bad job. Literally, she effed my eyebrows. So it's like, now I just gotta live through and like finesse every time. Luckily, my eyebrows grows fast, so yeah. But so first of all, I'm gonna go in with brushing my eyebrows first. Gonna go and brushing my eyebrows. I feel like I don't really have anything much to really clean like that, so. Alright, so now that I'm done cleaning up my eyebrows, I'm now going to go in with my eyebrow wax. And this is just to hold my eyebrows in place. And typically it just makes it easier to, like, you know, draw on, and, you know, the hair is just out of your face. Okay, now that I have applied my wax, I'm now going to go in with outlining my eyebrows. I'm just going to follow the lining on it and then just follow the shape and filling. Okay, so now I'm now going to compare the length of my eyebrows, and I don't know what to call it, whether it's like the edge of my eyes or something, but this is typically how I know when to stop extending the line of my eyebrows. This is just like a little tip, you know, just compare the sides, you know, just to see if it's at the same length, and if it's at the same length, then you know that, okay, yeah, my eyebrows are at the right length. Okay, so when it comes to filling in the front of my eyebrows, I typically like to do it very softly because you don't want it looking too fake. You want it to look like realistic. Like, you want it to look like it's your real hair. So I typically just add like a little bit, brush it up, and then I use the spoolie just to brush it. Okay, so now as you guys can see, my eyebrows are drawn in and they look on fleek. I don't even have to actually like clean it up, but obviously, no, I can't do that. I'm still gonna clean it up, but for concealer, I'm gonna be going in with my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 350, and I'm just gonna use this to conceal the bottom clean up the bottom of my brows. And then for the top of my brows, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 335 Classic Tan Bronze Classique. I usually don't like to use concealer on the top of my brows. I don't know, I just feel like it just doesn't look right. Sometimes it makes like that shade, that part also lighter than the rest of your face.
Okay, so when it comes to concealing my eyebrows, I'm just going to follow the lining of my eyebrows and just conceal that way. This is typically where a lot of people make mistakes. When it comes to concealing, you have to be really careful with this part because you can mess up your eyebrows so easily. So you have to be really careful. So when it comes to this part, I usually take my time. Like this time, I take my time because I have shaky hands. So when this part comes, I have to be as careful as I can.
Minister.
Okay, so now that I'm finally done with concealing the under of my eyebrows, I am now going to conceal the top. Like I said before that I was going to be using this foundation, I actually decided to change my mind and go with this foundation, with my Too Faced foundation.
Minister.
Okay guys, so this video has finally come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As we all know, eyebrows is a very important step when it comes to doing your makeup, okay? And the way you sculpt it and everything is very important as well. You know, it literally sculpts your face for you. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe And also, like, in fact, just, you know, we're gonna stop right now. One quick second, just go like this video, subscribe if you have not, you know, leave some comments in the comment section below. You know, I'm gonna also let you guys know what products I did use for my eyebrows. It's gonna be listed in the description box below, so don't worry about that. Yeah, that's basically it. You guys should let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see as well on my channel. And yeah, that's basically it for today. So see y'all in my next video.